Welcome. You're not here to fix anything. You're here to witness. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let your hands relax. Let your face release. This meditation is not about stopping thought. It's about stepping behind it. The mind doesn't need to be quiet. You just need to stop trying to control it. You're not the thoughts. You're the one watching them. Let the shift begin. Part 1. Sink. Feel where your body meets the surface beneath you. Notice the weight of your spine. Notice the gravity in your shoulders. Let yourself sink. Let go of holding. No tension. No effort. No micro-adjustments. Just stillness. As your body rests, your awareness begins to rise. Stay with this moment. You're arriving. Part 2. Unhook. Thoughts will come. Let them. There's nothing you need to do with them. You don't have to judge them. You don't have to stop them. They appear. They pass. Like clouds in a sky, like ripples on water, you are not in the mind. You are behind it, watching. There is a space between you and your thoughts. Let that space grow. You are resting in the observer's seat. Detached, clear, unmoved. You are only observing, nothing else. Part 3. Shift. The change has begun. You're no longer reacting. You're not chasing. You're not fixing. There's nothing to solve. There's nothing to become. Just this. Pure watching. Notice your breath, but don't change it. Let it flow naturally, like wind through an open window. You are not the one breathing. You are the one aware of breath. You are not the one thinking. You are the one witnessing thought. This is the shift from thinker to watcher. You're no longer in the story. You're watching it unfold. Thoughts still pass, but they don't pull you in. Part 4. Still watching. You are not moving, not speaking, not reacting. Everything is happening, but you are just here. Silent, steady, free. Awareness is wide open. No resistance, no effort. You may feel light. You may feel vast. You may feel like nothing at all. Let that be. You are simply observing. You are not your thoughts. You are the field they pass through. And that field is always still, always spacious, always here. You can return to this mode anytime. Not by trying, but by letting go. Step back, watch, remember. This is observer mode. Your mind may move, but you don't have to.